All right, Mr. Beeler, why don't you come up and have a seat with your counsel? I don't believe the prosecutor is going to be here this morning. Debbie had sent us some emails with her take on things. David is gone. There are two people short. And so we'll just get right to it. This is the elusive Trey Landon Beeler. Mr. Beeler is here with his counsel, Melissa Halleck. He has two cases today set for sentence. File number 22957 ST alleges driving suspended in February of 2022. File 23300 OT alleges driving suspended also in February of 2023. He also had another one from February 16th of 23, was dismissed by the prosecutor. And he has a new driving suspended charge from July 13th, which is set for pretrial for August 18th. Mr. Beeler keeps driving. I see he has a driver here with him today. He missed multiple dates. I think he has 3 days of credit. Melissa, is there anything else you'd like to know? Like me to know?
You said you should have more than that. Are you talking about just this charge, or are you talking about with the new one too? Right, so anything, if you were put in custody for a new charge, that's not gonna apply on this. That's what I'm asking. So you're saying he believes he has more jail credit than what Your Honor indicated, but do you know how much you're alleging?
It would be just what they were 2 off, maybe a week.
Okay. Okay, other than that, he did indicate to me this morning that he is registered with the 2 temp agencies that are available, that he does have an interview at one today. He did complete a roofing job last week. He's waiting payment for Friday. His license is revoked, puts him in a very difficult situation. He also has a felony matter upstairs that I represent him on, but he is on supervision for that. He's been compliant with that with Melissa.
Is it pre-trial or pending trial?
Attorney pretrial.
Okay, so it's not yet resolved. Okay, and I was aware of that. I wasn't sure what the status of it was. You cost yourself a lot of money just in bonds. With quick bail bonds, you'd get a bond, you wouldn't show up, you'd get another one. We forfeited a couple of them. I was looking to see whether I had any cash money in any of these cases.
He should have payment coming Friday, where he indicated he planned on making a larger payment. And then setting the payment plan today with regard to whatever he's gonna owe.
Well, he's got the felony pending in circuit court, and I took this plea on July 7th. And on July 16th, he got arrested again for driving suspended. So Judge Pattison can give him a whole bunch of jail on that one if he wishes. That's set for pretrial conference this Friday. So he's got that case and the felony case, and maybe you did more jail time, but all I counted was 3 days. When did you do some jail time? In July after you took this plea, when you got your new driving suspended?
Yeah, it was about 2 to 3 days.
Well, that doesn't apply to these. You were on bond on these.
The last one of these, I was in there about 4 or 5 days for that whole stay.
Well, you got arrested on May 14th and you bonded on the 16th. So that's 2 days, not one. And then, which were your own fault. I mean, if you just showed up. Now, some of this time you were in the hospital.
Yes.
All right. You got arrested on 12/10/22 and you posted bond on 12/11. That's because you didn't show up for the pretrial or the show cause. So there's one. Then you got arrested again on December 12th on a bench warrant and you got out the same day. So that's one more day. Then we had a pretrial on 12/22. You didn't show up. You also had a date of 12/29 that you did show up for. And you didn't show up in March of this year. And another bench warrant issued. So I believe you got 4 days credit. Were you working for some company for this roofing job?
It was through a friend, but he's a contractor, has his own company.
What's the name of the company?
To be honest, I'm not even sure.
Where was the roof?
Over in Grand Rapids. Grand Rapids, Manson. It was really early. I fell asleep.
When was that?
Last week. It was Tuesday through Thursday.
What are they paying you for that?
He said around 400 to 600.
So it's not an hourly wage, it's just some,
I believe so. I'm not completely sure on all the details of that. He just told me how much I would get paid. We went and did the roof and
what was the roof on? How residential house?
Yeah.
All right, in 22957. I'm gonna order 4 days credit, 4 days. You also forfeited hundreds of dollars worth of bond that you posted with bonding companies. I have a hard time getting a straight answer out of you almost about just about anything. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. I'm gonna do the standard fine, $75, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and a $50 state minimum fee, and a $150 attorney fee. That's $350. Concurrent with the other case, which is 23300. So in that case, you'll $350. Do you have a car right now?
I do, but it's not mobile or anything.
Well, park it. You're just gonna,
I parked it last time I got arrested. I haven't been driving since.
did it get towed when you got arrested last time?
No.
In the Sturgis ordinance case, I'm gonna order 4 days, credit 4 days, concurrent with the other case, which is 22957 ST. Now, let me look at that one for a minute. Yeah, there's no additional jail time in that one. This is a Sturgis City case. $75 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and $50 state minimum fee. No attorney fee in that one. So it's 200 plus 350. You owe a total of 550. I'm gonna do a payment plan. $50 per month. Can you pay that much?
I can do that.
You may be going to jail if you get convicted of this new case. But that's yet to be determined. Are you still at the Pamela Drive address?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna have the bailiff take you out to the court office and you can set up that payment plan. You won't really have time to make a payment between now and Friday. But my suggestion is you make these payments before your case is resolved before Judge Pattison. And stop driving. Oh, this goes with those. All right, you're free to go.
Thanks, I have my notes from today, okay? You're welcome. Good luck.
All right.